Hello, my great people. Welcome back to African Cooking Zone. And today we are going to make pancakes. Yeah, so as you can see, we are already making pancakes. So here are our ingredients that we used. So we used 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is 125 grams, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon baking soda, a quarter teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup, that is 180 ml of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons melted butter or vegetable oil. So here is what we did for us to get there. So we mixed the dry ingredients. So in a bowl, we whisked together flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Again, we mixed the wet ingredients. So again, in a separate bowl now, we whisked together milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Then now we combine. We pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and gently mix until they are combined. Right. So we are going to preheat our pan. So we heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat and lightly grease with butter or oil. Right. Okay. Then we are going to cook pancakes. So as you see, we are already cooking pancakes. So that is how we got here. So you pour a 1/4 cup of butter into the pan, for each pancake, or that I told you can use even cooking oil. Cook until bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set. That is about 2 minutes. Flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. What we are exactly doing. That is what we are doing exactly. So as you can see, we are already cooking. We are on the process of cooking. So it is golden brown. So after all that, and remember to use a medium heat. Do not overheat your pancakes. They will burn. And they will lose even taste and even shape. They will lose taste. So do not overheat your pancakes. Do not overburn. So that is what we are doing. For us, we are using our cooking oil. Of course, we use butter when we were whisking. And so after we are done all these ingredients, we are going to serve our pancakes with syrup, honey, fresh fruits, or any toppings you like. Others will love to serve it with rice. Others will love to serve it with meat. Whatever you are going to use to serve your pancakes with will work too. So guys, just a reminder for those who've come across this channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, like our videos, share our videos, and hit the notification bell for notifications. Until next time, bye bye.